However, in Wisconsin, Hmong may have the most people, but my sense is across the United States, probably Yang and Vang have the most, like Minnesota. Some of the other more common clans are number 1, Chang or Cha, number 5, Her, number 9, Li, which has different spellings, number 11, Lor or Lo, number 12, Mua, number 14, Tao, and number 16, Vu. There are also some clans that are less than 1% of the Hmong population in Minnesota and the U.S. And some examples of those clans with very small numbers are number 2, Chu, number 3, Cheng, number 4, Fang, number 6, Hang is pretty small numbers, number 7, Kang, number 8, Kong, number 10, Ku, and number 13, Pa. I think one good example of the differences in these numbers, I think last year I was looking through the Hmong Times newspaper here in Minnesota phone directory, and there were about 9.5 pages of the Vang listings, the Vangs in Minnesota, 9.5 pages, and about 3 families for the, I believe it was the Chus, number 2. So there's just a very wide difference in the numbers of people in the different clans. Well, clans serve a very important function in traditional Hmong culture. They provide the basic form of social and political organization in Hmong society. And at birth, a Hmong person takes his or her father's clan name and remains a member for life, with the exception of Hmong women who marry and take on new identities in their husband's clans. Hmong clans provide their members with social support, and members of the clan are considered brothers and sisters, or at least cousins, and they are expected to provide mutual assistance to each other. The clans also provide their members with legal and mediation assistance. For example, if a couple is going to get a divorce, clan leaders from each of the 2 clans involved with the families will get together to try to, to mediate the dispute and make a resolution between the families for a divorce. And in some cases, clans may also provide some economic assistance to their members. For example,